Good morning, danglers. Day 3. About to see if we can't get some fish. Some pretty good fishing holes, I think, on this little stretch, so we will see how they go. I think we got like 2 miles left. Nice easy paddling. Probably got 80% of my battery life on the trolling motor, so hardly used it. Hardly put a dent in the damn thing with an 80 amp hour battery. Should be good. Let's see what we can do. Missed him. Got him that time. Oh, he's a little guy. Quick release. Oh! I don't know what this is. It's big. Do not get in that trolling motor. Oh my God, I got a gar. A black one. Dude, he's... Get out of the trolling motor. Woo! Dang it. How the hell am I gonna get this guy over here? This is gonna require a retie. I don't even want to get him that close to the damn boat. How is he hooked? Where is the hook at, man? Jesus. Oh. Well, lost my hook. There's a little guy. Oh, look at that. A bluegill. Oh, that's a rock bass. Rock bass. Googly eye. Whatever you want to call them. There's got to be a big old bass sitting in there too. Big old 5-pounder. Oh, I thought that was it. Heard ya. Come on in, water's warm. Austin did by the rocks.
I got bass thumb. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. I had one that hit my top water, but I was too quick on the jump, pulled it straight out of his freaking mouth. Premature. Yeah, but there wasn't really what's it called? There really wasn't much on that right side.
Yeah, I caught a big gar.
Man, last night when we were casting in that spot, kind of like this riffle just behind it.
Yeah.
Every cast. I mean, there was a, I caught a striper probably about this big. He was,
nice.
Yeah, I mean, he wasn't the stripers that we were catching, but
still, they put up great fight.
Yeah, he was the biggest fish that I caught yesterday.
Very nice, dude.
Yeah. But we just kept catching him. It was like, he's like, man, this is too easy.
Ooh, with the rooster tail, stay on, baby.
Yeah.
Oh my God. No barbs.
I have a net here.
There are bigger fish in here.
That rod tip down, dude. Letting him dance like that.
Damn it.
Okay. I'm gonna join in on this one. That was a nice fish.
It was.
That was about a 2-pounder.
Okay, so there are bigger ones up in here.
Yeah. You're wrong. Maybe he followed you out from that slack over there.
I think so. That's what I was trying to hit that over there.
There we go. That's a big one right there.
Yep, that's a good one. Good feed.
Hey, can you grab that net?
Yeah, get a net handy. These are some jumpers.
Pull it straight out there. Oh, buddy. Good fish. Thank you.
See if he's got a hole in his lip now.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yep, they're in that slack over there. I don't think this one is as good as Prior's, but there we go. Bait. Good old bait there.
That's all right. Pull that out. That's okay. It's just gonna tire him out right here.
He's up in that grass.
Yeah.
All right.
You got your camera on?
You bet. Going on the YouTubes.
Yeah, buddy. On a fly rod.
Nicely done.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Get all set up.
Oh, sorry.
Probably a 6-pounder back in here chilling.
Dude, something's got to call this out.
Oh, forgot about the fine. Definitely not much turning around. Thousands of years of water rushing through here, man. Millions of years. Let's carbon date it. With the wall too? Yeah, I don't think there was water in here last time. When we would have had to hike this adventure. Yeah, I agree. Oh, dude, that's like a, yeah, that's like a, yeah. Yeah, better bring the juice, just in case. Could be a Mondo trapped back in here. Somebody else has been up here.
See the footprint? Yeah. Yep.
Pretty cool, man. Question is, how deep does it get? Right before it starts to go up. Uh-oh. It's a little deeper. Don't want to like fall in Jacob's well. Oh, sweet. It's like a little
You get a shot, dude.
straight up waterfall, man. Dude, just looking at it from this way is even crazy. That's what I'm hitting. That's what I'm hitting. And I'm getting fish. Ah, he got a. Yep. Oh, there's one on it. Dude, you want to talk about a fight? Little fish in this current. Nah, it's green. It is a better fish though. Quick release. Got another one on. Ooh. Come on. Stay on there. Yeah. Just a whole bunch of little spots. Not a small amount. Little spotted bass. Got him. Gave himself away over there. Ooh, he had buddies. That one I caught, man, he was almost all black on the top. Crazy.
Spotted gar.
Yeah. The old spotted gar. Don't get in that trolling motor. Turn it off. Where's he at?
See the hook?
I see the hook. It's right in the corner of his mouth. You might be able to get that out. Just grab it with the pliers and kind of give it a shake, maybe.
Come here, come here.
Boom. Passing under the Highway 4 bridge marked the end of our journey down the Brazos. We could not have asked for better conditions. With the flow we had, 20 miles seemed like only 10. As we packed everything up, I couldn't help but think about the next trip. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next dangle.